Hello everyone, welcome back to Trivia Tonic AQ. The K-pop Demon Hunters Trivia Quiz Challenge is back by popular demand. How many questions can you get right this time? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. First question, who is the rapper of Huntrix? Is it Rumi, Mira, or Zoe? Great start. Zoe is the rapper of Huntrix.
She's the cutest magnet.
But when she raps, she goes hard.
Next, let me know what is the name of this food?
Yeah, I need like 10,000 calories to get through the course. 1,000%. A gajillion%.
Is it gimbap, bibimbap, or kebab? You got it right. This is gimbap.
Mira, it's not even a real number.
Which Korean food do you like more? Ramyeon
Yeah, this plane's trashed.
or gimbap?
Mira, it's not even a real number.
Oh, I love to eat ramyeon. What about you? Click like if you prefer ramyeon like me, and subscribe if you prefer gimbap. Give me a smiley face in the comment if you like both of them. Guess the song. What is the title of this song?
I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead.
Exactly. What it sounds like is the answer.
I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead.
What did Jinu say after he bumped shoulders with Rumi? Are you okay? I'm sorry, or watch yourself. Jinu says watch yourself.
Watch yourself.
What kind of sauce did the Saja Boys drink in the variety show?
Abby is down. Mystery is history. Looks like romance is out due to heartburn?
Hot sauce is the correct answer.
Who can chug the most hot sauce?
What do members of Huntrix like to do in their free time? Feasting, singing, or relax on couch? Exactly. They love to relax on the couch and chill.
You are couch.
Heels, nails, blade, mascara. Which song is this?
Heels, nails, blade, mascara. Fit check for my neck.
Golden, how it's done, or take down? Awesome, it's how it's done.
Better sit down for the show, 'cause I'm gonna show you how it's done.
Listen carefully. Which K-pop song is this?
Don't want you, need you, yeah, I need you to fill me up. 마시고.
That's right, it's Soda Pop.
Don't want you, need you, yeah, I need you to fill me up. 마시고.
Which version of Huntrix do you like more? The silly Huntrix? Or the cool Huntrix?
Better sit down for the show, 'cause I'm gonna show you how it's done.
I like both of them. What about you? Click like if you prefer the silly Huntrix, and comment if you prefer the cool Huntrix. Subscribe to my channel if you like both of them. Question number 11. Rumi's mother is a demon?
She's pop star royalty.
Her mom was a Sunlight sister, but passed away when she was an infant.
True or false? False. Rumi's father is a demon. Rumi's mother is a hunter.
You only have those because
My dad was a demon.
you're not one of them, Rumi. You're a hunter, just like your mother was.
Who is the main dancer of the Saja Boys?
지금 당장 날 봐 시간 없잖아
Jinu, Romance Saja, or Abby Saja? Abby Saja is the main dancer of Saja Boys.
Every drop I drink up You're my soda pop My little soda pop
Do you know what is the meaning of Saja in Korean?
That's it for now. See you tonight on everyone's favorite variety show. The Saja Boys love you!
Is the meaning lion, tiger, or grim reaper? Saja means lion in Korean. That's why the Saja Boys have a lion as their logo. But in Korean culture, it can also mean a grim reaper that steals souls.
Saja Boys love you!
My little soda pop
What do you think of Rumi's voice?
Till the dark beats the
Rate her voice in the comment based on the emojis. If Netflix make another K-pop sequel, what type of content you want it to be?
Okay, I'll show you wild. Better come right, better look try and get into a level.
Second movie, series, or live action? Let me know your answer in the comment below. Question number 16. Demons do not have emotions.
The Hunmun.
True or false? False. Demons do have feelings, as you can see that they are afraid of Guima.
Pathetic! Useless! All of you!
Which Saja Boys member can handle spicy food the best?
Abby is down. Mystery is history. Looks like Romance is out due to heartburn?
Bingo, it's Baby Saja.
Baby Saja is the winner. Goo goo gaga.
What color does Hanmoon need to be for it to seal forever?
The Hunmun.
Is it gold, blue, or red? Hanmoon needs to be gold for it to seal forever.
That will keep demons and Kima from our world forever. The Golden Hunmun.
Can you guess which song is this?
Keeping you in check Keeping you obsessed Play me on repeat 끝없이 in your
You got it right again. It's your idol.
Keeping you in check Keeping you obsessed Play me on repeat 끝없이 in your head
Which K-pop girl group sings Takedown in real life?
It's a takedown, I'ma take you out, you break down like that. It's a takedown.
Blackpink, Twice, or New Jeans? The answer is Twice.
I don't think you're ready for the takedown. Break you into pieces in a world of pain.
Next, K-pop Demon Hunters is showing on which streaming platform?
Okay, I'll show you wild. Better come right, better look try and get into a level.
Any idea? That's right, it's on Netflix.
All I can think of Every drop I drink up You're my soda pop
What song did Huntrix perform to take down Guima?
Your voices cannot defeat me!
What it sounds like, Golden or Takedown? What it sounds like is the correct answer.
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back.
Do you know who voices Guima in the movie? Can you guess?
Pathetic! Useless! All of you!
It's Lee Byung-hun. the same actor who played the frontman in Squid Game.
Once the hunters turn the Honman gold, it's over for us.
Bobby is the manager of Huntrix.
I just need to look away and... Whew! Relax, Bobby.
True or false? The answer is true.
Yeah, you're right, Zoe. They're amazing, but they suck. I'm sorry, I've been glued to this tiny screen for hours.
One last round. Who is the one who raised Rumi?
We are 100 voices strong, swaying.
Rumi's mother, Bobby, or Celine? You got it right again. It's Celine.
Celine raised her and built Huntrix around her.
Rumi's voice is just incredible.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.